Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. This was awesome session, and I am very delighted to see all of you speaking so nicely. Uh, a few things I would like to share here tonight. I take this opportunity for that. The first thing is the best compliments I have ever received. There are so many compliments I receive, Alhamdulillah. But the best ever compliment I received so far, one person told me that some of your students speak better than you. And my response to that was, Coach never plays. Coach train the players. Coaches train the player normally. So my job is to make the best out of you, which I am doing, and I love to do this. Usually teachers love to do this the way the farmers love their crops grow and enjoy the growth of the crops. The teachers enjoy the growth of their students. There are so many things to share, but we have limited time, so I would like to share a few things on a bullet points. Uh, there is one thing that can make our nation the greatest, and that has been making our nation the greatest, and that thing is integrity, respect. We don't only respect our parents, we respect other people's parents as well. And we don't only respect our sisters, we respect our friends' sisters also. We respect our growth, our improvement. We respect other people's growth, other people improvement. And this is something that connect and combine us together because we enjoy our friend's success, we enjoy our success, we enjoy our neighbor's success, and share. We share the success together, we celebrate the success together. These are few things that make us different than others. Allama Iqbal said once, कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी. So kuch baat hai, what is that special thing which we have? This is the thing which we have, that no matter whether you are Hindu, you are Muslim, you are Christian, you are Sikh, no matter what caste you belong to, no matter what religion you belong to, no matter what gender you are, you receive the respect from everywhere, from every person, and we all celebrate everything together. And this is the kind of a festival which we have, that is called Republic Day, that it is a priority for all of us. We all take it as a priority. The last thing which I would like to tell you, that I noticed that some of you came here and forgot your speeches, forgot your scripts. This is natural and normal. It is okay to forget. We are human, and human when human does something, when human goes on the path of growth, they forget sometimes. Sometimes we feel angry, sometimes we feel jealous, sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel very happy. This is all normal. It's normal for every human being. If you are doing that, it's not like this is a problem for you. It's not a problem. It's normal. But in that normalcy, we need to find the way to grow. And for that, there is one measure which you can take, and that measure is the problems which you had in last days. We should improve a little bit every day. We should improve one step every time. Our competition with what we were before, not what with others. Like there is a very famous movie, Dhurandhar. You might have seen that. Everybody is applauding that. The actor Akshay Khanna, somebody asked him, uh, why you were not getting so much success like Khan brothers have got? You are so big actor. And he said, if you are not Ambani, it doesn't mean that you are not a businessman. So if you are not speaking like the great speakers, it doesn't mean that you are not a speaker. You are a speaker, and you are a better speaker than what you were before. And you will be better a speaker tomorrow, and this is how the growth will happen, and this is how one day you will become the best speaker. And I would like to end this speech with this story, that every speaker who you see today, no matter whoever he is, he has delivered his first speech in the classroom like this. He has made the mistake. He was in stress just like you were today. He was pressed. He was preparing. He was making mistakes. He was fumbling when he came to the stage first day. And everybody came through this. So when you hear somebody speaking very good speech on television or in YouTube, don't think you can't do that. Just think that how was he when he started his speech. In English, there is a very famous saying that you can't compare your first chapter with somebody's 20th chapter. You need to compare. If you want to compare with somebody's first chapter. And then you will find that your chapter is much better than thousands of people. And this will give you a lot of strength. So at Dynamic, we help each other, we respect each other, and we applaud each other, we praise each other, and we support each other to be a great speaker. That's what our motto is. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much.